Hello everyone and welcome to this module. So as we have discussed few concepts of cloud computing in the previous module, so in this module we will discuss about different concepts of cloud storage. So this module consists of various objectives such as cloud-based storage, advantage, characteristics, fact sheet, mobile data graph, data footprints. So moving forward we'll talk about cloud-based storage. So as we know that we are using resources in various processes which are generating data which is stored in various locations in the form of logical pools. These data are in digital form. So if these data is stored in any cloud, then it is passed to the complete data lifecycle. So for these storage of data, we need a cloud-based storage. So here are some advantages of cloud storage, such as usability, for backup, for accessibility, for bandwidth, and for cost saving. Moving forward, we will talk about characteristics like measuring the digital universe, provisioning cloud storage, creating cloud storage systems. We can do various types of things related to cloud storage. So now we'll talk about some facts about the cloud storage. Like the average enterprise uses 1427 distinct cloud services in the world. The average employee actively uses 36 cloud services at work. The average enterprises uses 210 distinct collaboration cloud services, and also the average enterprise uses 76 distinct file sharing cloud services. So moving forward, we talk about mobile data usage. So here's a chart which displays all the records of mobile data usage. Like in 2014, it was up to this mark from 81% and 19%. 81% was of cloud traffic and 19% of non-cloud traffic. So it numerously increases in 2019, like 90% was of cloud traffic and 10% was of non-cloud traffic. So now we will discuss about data footprint over the cloud. So as we use the data into day-to-day life, or we use cloud into day-to-day life, so uh, it shows some sort of data footprint over the cloud. Like this amount of data is used, or the projected volume of global IT traffic by 2020 means these type of data was of global IT in 2020. So these type of information are also there which shows the footprint of cloud uh, over the services which are used by the IT companies. So that's all for this module. See you in the next module. Have a good day.